Good afternoon. How are you all? Today we are going to talk about an AP statistics problem on hypothesis test for difference in two proportions. But before I get started, I would like to mention that this channel is all about you. I have solved all kinds of stat problems just for you at You Can Do Math, my YouTube channel. So why are you hesitating? Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button, because then you will have free access to all kinds of stat problems solved just for you. So I will get started. The emphasis on wellness and peace of mind is becoming increasingly important and recognized in today's society. And as a result, an osteopathic physician is planning to do research on whether having and maintaining succulents reduces depressive symptoms. The study design is as follows: 2,500 adults who have reported having depressive symptoms were randomly assigned to two groups. 1,250 were assigned to the experimental group that took care of a succulent every day for 6 months, and the remainder were assigned to a control group. At the end of the study, 55 people in the experimental group and 79 people in the control group still reported that they have depressive symptoms. At the significant at a significance level of alpha equal to 0.05, do the data provide sufficient statistically significant evidence that maintaining a succulent every day will reduce chance of depressive symptoms among all those that are similar to the volunteers in the study? Let P1 hat is proportion of people in the experimental group, sample group, who reported experiencing depressive symptoms, and that P1 hat is equal to, this is the experimental group, 55 out of 1250, or 0.044. Let P2 hat be the proportion of people in the other sample control group who reported experiencing depressive symptoms, and that P2 hat is 79 out of 1250, or 0.0632. So our null hypothesis is P1 equal to P2 and alternative P1 less than P2. Notice there is no hat, so P1 is population proportion in the experimental group and P2 is the population proportion in control group. We will conduct a two proportion Z test, okay, in TI-84. So we press the stat button, then we highlight test on the top row and scroll down to 2 prop Z test and then enter. My X1 is 55, sorry. My N is 12, N1 is 1250. My X2 is 19. My N2 is 1250 and my alternate is P1 less than P2. So bring the cursor on less than P2 and hit enter so that the cursor is flashing on top of less than P2. And then I go to calculate and hit enter. My test statistic comes out as minus 2.13 and my p-value, probability value of getting a test statistic as extreme as minus 2.13 is 0.0165, which is less than alpha is 0.05. So decision is reject H0, conclusion at alpha equal to 0.05. There's enough evidence to support the alternate hypothesis that P1 is less than P2. I will stop here today. If you have any question or comments, please write me a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner, because next time I'm coming back with another AP stats problem on normal distribution. Okay, take care. See you next time. Have a nice day. Thanks.